Can you see someone else's close friend list on Instagram? In order to see someone else's close friend list on Instagram, you need to follow these steps. Now, when you open up your Instagram application and click on the profile initials of the person that you want to see the close friend list. Now, let's say this is the one. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and tap on it. Now here, you could see no such information other than their profile info. Now, you cannot see someone else's entire close friend list on Instagram. Only the user who created the list can view or edit. The only way to know if you are on someone else's list is to look for the green ring or a badge around the profile picture when they post a story. And only then you'll be able to find their close friend list. Other than that, there is no way you could see someone else's close friend list on Instagram. So this is due to the security concern. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.